Learn ABCD with me.
A for apple, red and sweet, a healthy treat. B for ball, play with all, soft and cute, say meow too. Best friend loves to jog. E for elephant, oh, big and strong with trunks so long. F for fish, splash, splash, splash. G for grapes, double and green, yummy and clean. H for house, where we sleep at night. I for ice cream, cold, cold and sweet, tasty treat. J for juice, oh, fresh and cool, healthy fuel. K for kite, oh, flying high in the sky. L for Lorno, king of jungle, strong and royal. N for mango, sweet and yellow, oh so mellow. N for nesting, home for birds, safe and best. O for orange and round and bright, full of delight. Q for parrot, green and talky, cheerful and squawky. Q for queen, kind and fair, jewels to wear. R for rainbow color, 7, gift from heaven. D for trip, gives us shade, fruits and air. U for umbrella, keeps us dry when clouds cry. Takes us here, takes us there, tick-tock time, always on rhyme. X for xylophone, blink, long sound, music all around. I for yak, airy and strong, walks along. C for zebra, black and white, such a pretty sight.
Thank you.